Even if a day feels too long, you feel like you can't wait another one, and you're slowly giving up on everything. Love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you. You better be ready then. Well, you've been kneeling in the dark for far too long. You've been waiting for that spark, but it hasn't come. I'm calling to you, please get off the floor. A good heart will find you again. A good heart will find you. Just be ready then. Tethered to a bird of sorrow, a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate, bowed, but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. You've bet your joy on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning, while everything around you's burning. Come on, we gotta get out of this mess we've made. And still, for all our talk, we're both so afraid. But will we leave this up to chance, like we do everything? Love is gonna find us again. Love is gonna find us. We gotta be ready then. Tethered to a bird of sorrow, a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate, bowed, but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. You've bet your joys on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning, while everything around you's burning. But I'm not leaving yet. I'm not leaving yet. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. Yeah, yeah. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. Yeah, I'm hanging on. Hanging on. Oh, what's gonna come? Hanging on. 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 With the faithful, with the faithful, I'm hanging on. What's gonna come? What's gonna come? Hanging on. hanging on with the faithful. The faithful.